Trent here with Mercedes, and I'm going to show you how to self-park your vehicle. First, car is on. You want to push this button right here. Boom. This will come up. When you're ready to self-park, you're going to go to the right side, push this P. So these side view mirrors are what's used to locate if there is a spot or not. As you're driving, I'm going to park in the spot up here. It uses the other vehicles to register if there's a spot. So as you pass the spot, it's going to let you know that there is a car right next to you. 2 seconds. All right. So stop the vehicle, follow the directions on the top. Over here, you can pull in forward or reversing. I'm going to pull in forward, and then when I'm ready, I'm going to start parking procedure. Now, my foot is on the brakes. I'm going to control the speed of the car. It turns on the blinker for me, letting the people know behind me that I'm going to be self-parking. We're parking to the right. And then I'm going to let off the brake slightly because trust is earned over time. We're reversing right now. It's going to tell me where it's going to stop. It's going to shift for me as well. Something pretty cool, if it notices that your lines are uneven, it will pull itself back out and then adjust itself automatically. Boom. So that's how to park the vehicle. Now, if you use the parking feature, you can also go back when you're ready to leave, push the button down here. This will come up. Now I get to choose which side I want to leave from. Do I want to go back left or back right? When it says depress the brake pedal right now, I'm going to look down here, put my foot down on the brake, and then I'm going to go ahead and touch the button up top. Shift to reverse. Boom. Again, it's going to hit my blinker because Mercedes is very safe. And I'm ready to reverse. Now, cool feature, at any point in time, I can grab the wheel and it will override everything. The whole system, and I'm back in control. I will show you what that looks like here in a few seconds. So once I register that, all right, I'm okay, I grab the steering wheel, I override the system, and I am back in charge of the vehicle. That is how you self-park your Mercedes-Benz. Let me know if you have any questions.